Hello, in this video I will show you how to create an Apple ID. Now it's a very easy process. So in this case, we're going to use a Mac. Now all you have to do is simply open System Preference. Now in System Preference, you will find the option of Apple ID. Now, over here you have the option of Sign In. Click on this option. And right over here you have the option of Apple ID. Now choose this option. And if you have never made an Apple ID through this Mac, then you can create a new Apple ID using this process over here. But as you can see, I've already created an Apple ID using this device. I won't be able to do so. So what you do is, if you haven't done it yet, simply enter your date of birth, then enter your email address, and then enter your phone number. And after that, finish it with a password. And within a few minutes, you should receive an email which will say that your Apple ID is now made. So once your Apple ID is completely made, all you have to do is simply log in using the same Apple ID that you just created. So just simply enter your Apple ID again, then click on next. Now just simply enter the password that you just used, paste it right over here, then click on next, and then you should be logged in to your new Apple ID. So wait for a few seconds, then a verification code has been sent to you on your device. So if you have different devices with the same Apple ID, just simply check on that device for a verification code, or just simply click on did not get a verification code and choose your phone number that you also used. So use this option, click on continue, and then just simply enter the code that was sent to you on your number. Now after you've entered the code, wait for a few seconds, and after that you will be signed in with your Apple ID. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.